Assalomu alaykum. Yangi darsga xush kelibsiz. Welcome to a new class. And in this lesson, we will be comparing two tenses with an easy task. Tayyormisiz? Boshladik. So in this lesson, we will be talking about past and future. In the previous lesson, I asked you to describe things you did. Things you did and things you will do. And if you haven't done that or you did that, let's check with my examples and compare. Başladık. So, as you remember, we looked at past tense and present future tense. Today, in my example, in things I did yesterday or things I will do in future, I will show you the difference between two tenses so we can revise and memorize those suffixes one more time. And my questions will be, what did you do yesterday? What will you do today? And right now, I will show you three examples, three actions, which will be applicable to any of us. And I will use these three examples to show what I did yesterday. And these three examples, the same three, I will use to show what I'm gonna do in future. So, let's talk about yesterday. Kecha. Kecha nima qildingiz? What did you do yesterday? For example, yesterday I went to work. Or, if I'm not working, to school. Men kecha ishga, ga means to, ishga bordim, or o'qishga bordim. O'qish is study. Men kecha ishga bordim. Men kecha o'qishga bordim. What about if I was not talking about myself? What if I was talking about someone? Ooh, he or she. Then dim suffix changes to d. U kecha ishga bordi. U kecha o'qishga bordi. Okay, what about after that, after my studies or work, I went shopping. Keyin bozorlik qildim. Again, the same suffix. And the root of the word, the last letter, does not matter, right? In past tense. And if I was talking about someone, Keyin, for example, if I was talking about Saida, who went shopping, I would say, Keyin Saida bozorlik qildi. Then she went or he went shopping. And the third example is, in the evening, I watched a movie with my family. Kechqurun, which is in the evening, oilam, my family, with bilan, kino ko'rdim. Again, ko'rmoq, take away moq, and add dim, which means in the past. Kino ko'rdim. Kechqurun oilam bilan kino ko'rdim. And if I was talking about someone who watched a movie with his or her family, then I would say Kechqurun Saida oilasi, which means her family, bilan kino ko'rdi. Dim and d. Okay, what about if we were talking about past things we did not do? And I will use the same three examples. Men kecha ishga bormadim. Negation. Or men kecha o'qishga bormadim. U kecha o'qishga bormadi. U kecha ishga bormadi. Saida kecha ishga bormadi. Saida didn't go to work yesterday. U bozorlik ham qilmadi. She didn't do shopping as well. Like ham means as well. Or men bozorlik qilmadim. I didn't do shopping. Saida bozorlik qilmadi. Saida didn't do shopping. First person or third, right? It changes depending on who's talking. Then in the evening, I didn't watch movies. Kechqurun oilam bilan kino ko'rmadim. Darslarimni qildim. So I didn't watch movies with my family. Instead, darslarimni qildim. I studied. I did my homework. If I was talking about someone, kechqurun oilasi bilan kino ko'rmadi. It was ko'rmadim becomes ko'rmadi. Darslarini qildi. And pay attention, it's short I. qildi, ko'rmadi. How much it changes if we were talking about the same things but in future. Bugun nima qilasiz? Pay attention to a. Qildi or qildingiz, that was past. Now it's future. Men bugun ishga boraman. Men bugun ishga boraman. I will go to work today. I will go to my school today. Or he, she will go. U bugun ishga boradi. Keyin bozorlik qilaman. Then I will go shopping. Keyin bozorlik qilaman. Or she will go shopping. Keyin bozorlik qiladi. And then in the evening, I will watch movies with my family. It's future, right? Kechqurun oilam bilan kino ko'raman. Ko'raman. It was qildim, I watched, versus to ko'raman. Kechqurun oilasi, for example, Saida will be watching. Kechqurun oilasi bilan kino ko'radi. Now, let's put all these together. Men kecha o'qishga bordim. That's the whole thing in the past. Yesterday, I went to work or to school. Keyin bozorlik qildim. Then I went shopping. Kechqurun oilam bilan kino ko'rdim. Then in the evening, I watched movies. And if we were talking about someone, then we would say, u kecha o'qishga bordi, u kecha ishga bordi. Keyin Saida, Nargiza, Mark, John, doesn't matter, anyone, he or she bozorlik qildi, kechqurun oilasi bilan kino ko'rdi. So dim or d. First person, third. And the next slide shows everything in future. Men bugun ishga boraman. Keyin bozorlik qilaman. Kechqurun oilam bilan kino ko'raman. I will go, I will do, I will watch. He, she, u bugun ishga boradi, keyin bozorlik qiladi, kechqurun oilasi bilan kino ko'radi. Now, after you watch this, can you describe what you did yesterday and what you will do tomorrow? Take 3 things. It can be 3 different things for yesterday, 3 different things for tomorrow. But you make sure that you know how to describe these verbs in Uzbek. And also, additionally, we talked about first person and third. How about trying to talk about youth, friendly youth, like something you did, like your friend did, you did this, or you will do this. Or how about trying saying you respectfully, siz. Siz qildingiz. Siz qilasiz. I will be waiting your versions in the comments, and I will be waiting for your likes, definitely. Let me know what you think about this lesson. Does it help you to understand 2 tenses? And is it becoming clear? Are we getting there? Let me know. It's very important for me. And don't forget to subscribe to IBRAT FARZANDLARI. And also, if you would like to get more information about Uzbek language, here's my Telegram. You're welcome to subscribe and learn additional materials. Dars uchun sizga kattakon rahmat. Keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha, xayr, sog' bo'ling.